si Calvary Quezon. And this is my devotion for today, September 14. And ang topic po natin for today is kung may plano ang Diyos, may plano din ang kaaway. So, ano po ba yun? Son of God. So, in Scripture, sons of God often refers to angels, highlighting their role as created beings who serve God. Unlike Christ, the eternal Son, they are creatures under divine authority. It is possible that fallen angels were once called sons of God, as they originally belonged to God's heavenly host. Their rebellion transformed them from ministering spirits into enemies of God, contrasting their former glory with their present ruin. So sa ating scripture for today is Job chapter 1 verse 6. One day the angels came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came with them. So sa Diyos po lahat ng papurihan. So, sons of God. So, of course, ito po yung mga evil spirit na ating nababanggit po sa Biblia na ayun nga po yung topic natin for today, na kung may plano po ang Diyos, may plano din po ang ating mga kaaway. So, ano po ba yung kaaway natin? So, as described po ni Saint Paul, na talagang spiritual battle ang nangyayari dito sa mundo, dahil of course naglalaban yung kasamaan tsaka kabutihan sa ating mga utak at puso. So, ano po ba ibig sabihin nito? Na of course, kung merong yung mga fallen angels po talaga ay pinaplano po talaga nila the very beginning na yung mga tao ay hindi makapag-establish ng isang magandang connection or deep relation sa ating Panginoon. Kasi bakit? Of course, they want na marami silang kasama sa hell. Kasi alam na hindi na sila pwede ng redemption. Kasi of course, tinidol na po nila ang ating Panginoon. And of course, tayong mga tao, meron po tayong binigyan po tayo ng grace ng salvation ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. So, kaya po sila naiinggit, and of course, talagang ayun nga po, diba, yung inalok ni Satan ng fruit of good and evil, knowledge of good and evil, si Adam at Eva. So, teachings natin for today is sons of God are angels who serve God. Some angels abandon their position, and Satan is the leader of angelic rebels. Ayun nga po, si Satan po ang kanilang leader. Of course, dating seraphim mo ata, cherubim, si Satan, pero of course, pinangunahan po siya ng pride, and gusto niya mas lamang po siya sa ating Panginoon, pero wala pong lalamang sa ating Panginoon. So, let us continue to be grateful and to pray sa ating Panginoon, of course, to protect us from evil spirits, and lagi tayong palakasin sa mentally, physically, emotionally, para hindi po tayo basta-basta na maaakit ng mga kalaban. So, ayun na po, ako si Calvary Quezon, and this is my devotion for today, September 14. Sana po ay marami kayong natutunan. Ayun lang po, and God bless.